Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable snap layouts on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best match should come back with Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And if you end up not on the System tab, you want to get over here. So select the menu icon and then System. And now on the right side, you want to go ahead and locate Multitasking. And go ahead and left click on that. Now where it says Snap Windows, automatically resize and arrange windows on your screen. Keep that toggled in the on position to turn it on. And you can click inside this drop down here. You can make additional adjustments here for snap layouts. So pretty cool little feature there, guys. You can expand on it a little bit more. And that's about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.